Beep, 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 beep. And we're gonna do rich. All right, always nice chatting with you in the morning, Papa.
Okay, talk to you later.
All right, love you. Talk tomorrow, same time.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right. Yeah.
Man, what a sweet thing it is to talk to your grandfather. We talk every single morning and enjoy our cup. Can you see me? I don't know. Enjoy a cup of coffee together every morning and just talk. We talk about so many different things. I do have a little bit of a busy day. I'm sorry, I can't really bend my knees because that hurts. I have kind of a full schedule today. A lot of things are happening in the apartment. I'm not showing you guys it yet because I just got to get some things together first, okay? But we'll get there, I promise. I have someone coming for the Wi-Fi, finally. The building maintenance team is actually coming to clean my floors for some reason, okay? When I moved in here, my floors weren't clean, but it was no issue. Just reported it, and they were like, we'll come tomorrow. And then I have a bed that's also coming today. So that's exciting, because I've been sleeping on my mattress on the floor. Actually scratch. Everyone's running late today. None of my appointments have started on time, and I'm so close to being irritated about it, like overwhelmed, anxious. I'm so close, but I'm choosing just not to be. Like, this is a perfect example of how you create your own stress. It doesn't exist unless you invite it in. And don't get me wrong, it is very, very hard to do because I want everyone, but you just have to remember, okay, things are always as they should be. So I'm gonna take a deep breath. I went downstairs. Seems like they should be on their way to come clean the floors. My Wi-Fi guy was an hour behind. It seems like he's now on his way, and I just ordered some food. So maybe I'm all right. Okay, I just have to take a deep breath. Okay, guys, maybe the day will roll now. Let's cue the day.
Between when, because she'll get in.
Oh, definitely. You'll have that by next week.
Okay, cool.
Perfect.
Great, great. Yeah, no, these are all like great questions I appreciate that we can kind of talk it out live. And
Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh. I have the camera down so you can't see the apartment. But look at the bed. It's perfect. Wow, I was a little nervous. Oh, I love it. I love it. But look at, see, this is grown up. This is fabric. This is fabric. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is what? This is what? Da, 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 da. I love it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so happy. You know what? I guess I got a lesson today. Everything always just has to work out. No matter how wrong it feels in the moment, everything is going to work out. So there's no need to stress. There's no need to overwhelm myself. That's exactly what I was about to do this morning. Like, everything just felt like it was going wrong or not to my schedule. It's like, what schedule? You know, like, relax. Relax, it's all gonna get taken care of, and it did. Like, I'm so happy I didn't cancel out the day because that could have just ruined everything. If you needed to hear that, you use it, okay? Do not let one little thing ruin, who's that? Hey, ruin how beautiful your day possibly could be. Okay, I have so much energy. I feel like I can go run errands now, which I did plan on doing, but who's this? It texts me. Okay, you got a package. Great, I have a package. My key to my front door is it's an app on the phone. So watch this. Open it. So I take my phone. See that little thing up there? Okay. It opens. This is heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay. That is heavier than I thought. Whew. I'm gonna have to hire someone for this. Where are the instructions? Oh my god, this is heavy too. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Assembly instructions. Pre-assembly. Oh. Carefully remove all parts and hardware from carton along with any protective packaging. Let's leave the glass in the packaging for now because all right, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H parts. That, hold up. Girl, what does this mean? Talking about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H part. What is that? Somebody know how to put that together? What is this piece called? What is the F? F? F. Okay. Hold up. Where's F? Is this F? F! You know F, y'all? We're getting somewhere. A, B, E. Where is C?
I think A's on one side and B's on one side, no? Or no?
So you think A, you think A is on the inside.
Because it looks like A is that. Wait, let me see what A looks like. So look at the image of B.
Yeah.
And look at the image of A.
Yeah.
Does A screw into B?
Perhaps. Okay, hold up. Maybe we just got somewhere. I'm about to see because I was using, ow. I was trying to do A and A, B and B. But let's see, does one screw in the other? Maybe. Maybe. Oh my God, Jordan.
I got a master's degree in journalism. But I guess this is in the same realm.
Oops. Okay, hold up. Oh my God, Jordan.
Right, maybe A is on the inside and B is on the outside.
Yes, that's exactly what it is. Wow. What would I do without you?
Nothing.
Look who did it. Look who did it. She put together the coffee table. I love this table and the size is just perfect. So it's all glass here. I put a few things on here. This is my next book that I'm reading. I heard such great things about Gucci's book. So that's next. I thought she fits just really nicely, you know, with the other girls on the table. Just some furniture magazines. I have like a real coffee table book that was gifted to me so long ago, and I finally have a place for it. Yeah, I love it. And it's like really heavy glass. It's like a really fine piece of furniture. See, I knew I could. I knew I could do it. Okay, as for these other goodies over here, okay, we're not gonna get to unbox these today. We're not, but I'll make you guys a promise. Like, you see my pinky? I'll make you a pinky promise, okay? Put your pinky right here. It's okay, you got it? Boom. We will open these together. I promise I will not touch these until we unbox them together. It seems like you guys are into or you want to see like some decor hauls. I do too. I love those videos. So I will make sure I do those with you guys. Just not today, okay? Not gonna happen. But next video we're opening up with some decor hauls. It's gonna be, don't get too excited guys, this is just small stuff, but small stuff still matters, okay? The small things definitely still matter. Oh God, that table just wore me out. All right.